Those rock pools held treasures. I used to fish up shrimps and sea anemones, but the rocks themselves gave us a richer treasure, the lava weed. The only seaweed you can eat, we used to boast. You had to know where to look for it, and the best of it only grows on limestone. And I'd better not tell you where. And 50 years later, here am I, finally learning the secrets of making laverbread as I sit in the kitchen with Mrs. Taylor at Horton.
I bring it up and I soak it to get all the sand out. First here. After that, I have to wash it at least 2 or 3 times. First water. So, second water. And then I put it in a saucepan to steam it. And I steam it for at least 4 or 5 hours. I put just a little water in the bottom, not for it to stick. And then it just goes happily along and I forget all about it until it's ready. Mind you, I've got to add salt. I did a little this morning. And this is done. But after that I have to put it to a mincer. Or you can chop it just how you like, but we like it minced. After that, you just fry it with plenty of bacon, and there's your lot.
I always felt it was as good as caviar, once you acquired the taste, of course.
Yes, and it's nearly as precious. We put a little oatmeal around it.
So as this weed grows only in certain places, I remember when I was a little boy, Slade was the great place to pick it.
Oh, I picked a lot in Slade, but this year we had a wonderful lot in Horton Bay.
Is it as popular now as when I was a little boy? Who are the people who eat it now?
You know, the old villagers.
When did you learn to make it, Taylor?
Oh, my mother told me when I was a very, very young child.
So this is the real traditional recipe, handed down from mother to daughter.
Oh, yes. Oh, I did it in the First World War, and I sort of always done it since. I think our laverbread is now almost ready to be eaten.
It looks perfect, Mrs. Taylor. But one thing, we must have some bacon with laverbread.
I've got it all ready, Mr. Thomas.
Ah, now that really looks as it should be. Bacon. The uninitiated may shudder and say it looks like coal tar, but I became a connoisseur of laverbread in Gower, and my verdict on Mrs. Taylor's laverbread was... perfect.